okay, and you don't have to finish the whole thing. Just looking for the literary elements in the essay. Okay, one more minute and about 30 seconds. Minute 30.
No, it gets really good at the last sentence.
Okay, you guys, 45 seconds. 45 seconds. Okay, guys, time up. So, I'm just curious. So, for the first essay, what would you guys score the first essay?
8 out of 9.
Yeah, I'd give it an 8 as well.
8?
I probably wouldn't
I'd give it an 8.
I would give it an 8. Show me on your end. It's 1 out of 9.
For the first essay?
It's 1 out of 9 for or 1A. Yeah, for 1A.
I got an 8.
4, 6, 8. 7, 6, 7. Okay, 3. A 3? Yeah. We'll talk after that. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, what about the second essay? What would you guys score the second essay?
2.
0.
1, 6, 4, 3, 2. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to look at just really quick what they say. Oh.
Second essay was so bad.
And his paragraphs were literally 2 seconds.
I listened to your song.
What song?
The John Wayne.
Yeah, good, isn't it? Shut up,
Okay, so we actually,
Guess what, Emma?
we don't have the critique of the first essay, but I know it a lot. Okay, you guys, so for the first essay, that essay scored an 8. The first 1A scored an 8. And a lot of you looked at like some of the grammar, which, you know, that's okay. Like, they understand you're writing this. It took them 40 minutes, right, to read the whole thing and to write like those 2.5 pages. But basically what they said is like, is that paper, it wasn't very good at the beginning, but it kind of found its found itself, I guess, like about halfway through when it started talking about tone. And the person grading it really liked that. So what are some of the literary elements you guys saw that the first person was discussing that you liked? Some things you're like, wow, okay, that was a good move. That was a good move. Or what are some of the things that you guys highlight?
They did good
Highlighted?
citations with quotes.
Yeah, they did. They referred back to the article a lot. So even if they're saying things you don't agree with, it's hard to disagree because they're referring right back to the article, and they want to see that. Maybe what's one thing? Okay, I need you guys to look at me so I apologize, so I can point. What's one thing that you found in 1A? One thing that you highlighted? Yeah. Okay. Why did you highlight that? Good. 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 So explain to be able to like build and relate to the American mindset a little bit. Okay, good. Who else from 1A? Why did that one score an 8? Or why would you argue against that? Like some of you were holding up 6, you were holding up a 3. I don't know if you're serious about a 3. Were you serious about a 3? Okay. Yeah, why would they score something different than that? So maybe what's one or two more examples from 1A? From 1A. Okay, in the back. Sorry, with the blue. Yeah, what's one thing you highlighted from 1A?
So I just kind of went through and like.
Okay, guys, listen up, listen up.
I kind of went through and looked at like all the words she used, just like from the context and how she explained them. So one of them was she used like splash and boldness, and so she kind of went on to like explain what that meant to like the Americans at that time.
Like the use of those words,
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
okay, and like, did she talk about what part are you at?
On the very first page, like in this beginning of the first paragraph, where she just says splash and boldness, and then like throughout the rest of it, she just explains it.
Okay. And does she relate it back to the American culture in that instance?
Yes, I think she did.
Okay. So good. If you could point to text and relate back to the American culture. Okay, let's get one more example. I saw a hand. Were you raising your hand?
Oh yeah. Well, I was just gonna say that she, or whoever this was, they actually said what she did, like her tone and like word choice. When some people kind of just imply that that's what she did,
Right.
she actually like said exactly what she did, and then she went back to the text and said she did that, and this is why, like this is how she did that. So
That's a really
important.
good point.
It's easy to like. It makes more sense. It makes it easier to read.
Yeah, that's a really good point. Okay, you guys. So those are 3 good examples. It's not that it's important to like memorize those things and write those words. Okay, guys, listen up. We're almost done. It's not that it's important to like memorize all those words, but just what you said. Tell me your name again.
Jonathan.
So what Jonathan said, if you are specific and you say, oh, this author uses syntax in this situation, like the people will be like, wow, okay, that's powerful. This person used the word tone, right? Oh, this author's tone develops here, and the tone switches. Those are kind of key words for these tests that, okay, yeah, this person knows what they're writing about, so that helps. Let's go to the second essay. Let's go to 1B. Okay, what do you guys feel like this would score?
3.
Wow, 7. I want you to defend that. A 3,
No, 2.
okay.
2.
What else? Show me with your hands. Show me with your hands. 4, 3, 5, 5, 3. What do you guys think for 1B?
I think probably a 5 or something.
5?
They're so bad at
Three,
these
three.
essays.
Okay, so 1B scored a 5. Okay.
Look at you go.
Victory is mine!
Okay, and you guys read that and you're like, okay, I can write that, and that's true. You get all of you guys can write like that.
They're gonna pass this test.
What's that again? Oh, you thought it was better than the first one. Interesting. Okay, Maybe what are some things, did you highlight some things in 1B? Why don't you start us off? Okay, so look at some of the literary elements you highlighted in 1B. Tell me your name.
I didn't highlight any of those.
Do you want to maybe like use your phone a friend? Phone a friend. Okay, so Gabe's table is going to share with us one literary element from 1B. Okay? Let's actually, you guys to end, we're going to have each table share with us one literary element from 1B. Okay? So go ahead and look, maybe talk to the table what you guys want to share, and then we're going to start with Gabe's table. Take 30 seconds to discuss with your table what you want to share. Then we'll start again with Gabe's table. Okay, alright, so Gabe's table is going to start with 1B. Okay, so Gabe's table is going to share with us. Hey, you guys. What's up? Gabe's table is going to share with us. Go ahead. Our spokesman.
Okay, basically what we just kind of noticed is that this paper talks about symbolizing a lot, like the flamingo symbolizing. Yeah.
And how do they do that? Like, what are some of the things they...
Well, like it says symbolize wealth and pizzazz, and then like yeah.
Okay, so talking about how... Were you going to add something to that? Oh, I thought you were... Didn't want to cut you off. Right, symbolize wealth and pizzazz, and that's kind of obvious for like... Okay, so those are some things then in the American culture, right? Okay, next table. Let's go to this table right here. What did you guys come up with among your table?
Oh, for what this was talking about?
Yeah, for 1B.
1B was just, it didn't support his points, it didn't finish writing.
Okay, so did you think anything in there was good that
They
okay.
had a topic sentence, which was better than the first one, but it wasn't really, like grammatically it wasn't right.
Okay, so grammatically there were some errors?
I mean, in the topic sentence there were grammatical errors, which was kind of distracting, but at least they had one.
Okay, okay. Did you guys find something? You guys were kind of split. Something for 1B? What was something that you guys found?
I feel like they made a lot. They talk about things like the like they were talking about World War II veterans and like the Great Depression, but they didn't really talk about that after that.
Yeah,
Okay.
It was just kind of
really
weird.
hard.
Okay, so make sure you
It was
support
really
your
dumb.
claims.
It was really dumb. They're like, also the Great Depression and flamingos in existence. It was bad. It was really
That's true, you guys. Like, I've read a lot of the AP papers, like, and graded some of them, and man, like, sometimes they'll do that, and then have no support. It's like, what, like, how is this person logically thinking through? So just make sure you go slow and have support for your analysis. Yeah. Good. What's one thing you guys found for 1B?
Well, kind of just like you were talking about, in his like, is it a girl or a boy? I didn't even know.
I don't even know.
But in the second paragraph, they're like, the hotel in itself symbolized like health and pizzazz, but then like doesn't give all that much support.
Okay.
Kind of like you're talking about, like give better support.
Okay. So you felt like there needs to also be better support?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's come over to this table in the back. Go ahead.
Our first thing was that at the beginning, she just like started talking like kind of like Emma said, just like all this random stuff about the Great Depression that totally was not backed by the essay, had nothing to do with the essay, and it was just kind of out of the blue, like musings on this subject. So it had nothing to do with analyzing the essay. And then the second thing was that in the quote, the word catchet looks like it says ratchet.
Say that again?
The word catchet looks like it says ratchet. So.
Okay. Okay, so I want to hear, maybe from the last tables, I want to hear something good that they did. Something good that they did, okay? Ooh, tough. But this essay did do good things because it scored a 5. It didn't score a 0, right? So we're gonna start with this table. Something good that this essay did. Go ahead.
They used quotes whenever they made a claim, like
Well, not whenever they make it.
sometimes.
Often.
Okay. So pointing back directly to the text. Good. No, that's good. Okay, what's one other thing? This table right here in the middle. Two gentlemen. What's one other good thing that they did in 1B? So something different. Something different. Yeah, and then we're coming. You guys are
I think it's not so much good, but I think they at least put an effort into making like an interesting introduction. Like I don't like the introduction, but at least it like put some work into it.
Why did you think the introduction was interesting?
Well, like it's like because the first essay is just like in her 199 essay, like she just
Oh,
starts
for
it out
199.
in her essay, but in the other one it's kind of like it's a better hook.
Okay.
But then once you read it, it's like it makes sense. But it's still more interesting.
So you felt like because they said in the 1999 essay.
No. No, this one is bad hook.
I mean, yeah, it's like smaller.
Like,